this relates to this related to oppression because African Americans had to work with no pay.
This is related to disempowerment because the Black Code stripped African Americans of their civil rights and made them inferior.
This relates to disempowerment because they are not able to clearly be free, and related to slavery because they are willing to take their freedom away, or else consequences will be served.
You know what I realized, guys? After slavery, African Americans were still treated like slaves.
I agree with you, Samantha.
And as the inferior race.
Yes, interesting. I said that I believe that what's it called? That like this just basically means that the amendments didn't do much after Abraham Lincoln was assassinated because everything went back to how it was before. So even though they were called free, they weren't. They still still need permission from a white person to do anything. So nothing really changed.
State governments, because they're calling them free men, but they still have limits to their lives.
I enjoyed Recall to Relate because it helped us recall words from the text, and it helped us really get a grasp on what words mean.
I like to do this activity because it's something different than what we normally do. Like we would normally do something else, not like look back into the text looking for different, more vocabulary words, and also we make connections. So like we normally don't do that.